I am the Dollar Sportsman. Thank you guys for joining me. You can see right now it is ridiculously bright out here and it's very hot. This is the hottest month in Arizona. You can hear my air conditioner running in the background, and that's probably all you will hear now on this video. Look, I'm going to show you real quick how to set up a scuba tank to fill your PCP air gun. I've been using this pump, which is a fantastic pump. It's the G7S. It's worked great for me. One of the things that I really needed on it was an air filter for water to keep the moisture out of my gun, because I've had to clean it a couple of times. I've had some leaks because of that. So an air filter really would have helped with this, but I'm going to something else now. So this is your standard scuba tank. It's about 40 pounds, ridiculously heavy, but I guess not too bad, you know. Do some workout with it. But there's an easy way to get this set up for air guns. You just need a couple of things. In the first place, you do not need to buy one of these new. You can find them for sale. A lot of people, when they're done scuba diving, they give these up and they sell them for a whole lot less than what they sell for brand new. I got this one for 50 bucks on OfferUp. Now there's one caveat to that, and that is that they must have a DOT certification every few years, right? I believe it's every 5 years, 6 years. Somebody, I'm sure in the comments, will tell me exactly what that is. But mine was past the certification time, so what I did is I found a local dive shop, and I took it in, and they were able to recertify it for 50 bucks. So brand new, these can go anywhere from 150 up. I was able to get this used, $50 plus the $50 recertification. It's 100 bucks. 100 bucks for this huge thing that will fill my air rifle dozens of times, literally. Mine is a 13cc tank on my gauntlet, my Umarex gauntlet, and this will fill it up, I think, somewhere around 60 to 70 times. So that's fantastic. 60 to 70 times with the air pump would make me super buff, but also super tired. So here's what you need. You need a DIN valve. This is an adapter that I got off of eBay for, I don't know, I think it was $15, 20 tops. And all you do is you take this, buy yourself a high pressure hose as well, and you gotta be careful with this one. Because if you don't get a specific high pressure hose, if you only go for one for paintball, it's not going to be enough pressure and you will blow up that hose. So you need to make sure that it is a rated high pressure hose. I believe I got this off of eBay as well, and it was another 20 bucks, I think. So all in all, I have $100 into the tank and 40 bucks into the gear. That's $140 for this complete setup. That's it. So just take your hose, you'll have the adapter on one end, plug it into yours, just like that, super easy. And then you're gonna take this and stick it on top here. So there's a little valve under this cover, right? So take this cover off. There's an O-ring right here, and that's where this will sit into. So take this thing, unscrew it a little bit. Just going to mount it right on top so that it sits firmly against the O-ring. Just like that. And now you're all done. That took me 20 seconds. 20 seconds, guys, $140. You can have a scuba tank set up. You can fill your PCP air rifle. I'm going to go ahead and take this out and give it a test run. Okay, so my right now is already filled up to about 2,000, so it's not going to need much. So what we're going to do is lay it on here. Uncap our fill valve. Quick connect valve right onto the top. Now, the one thing that you have to be very careful of when you're doing this is to not let too much air out too fast. because this is unregulated, you can let all the air out and explode your gun. So be very careful. The nice thing here, man, I'm sweating bullets because it's so hot out here. It's the hottest day of the year so far. There is a valve for the air pressure right on top. In fact, I'll have you guys come take a look. So you see right here is the air pressure valve, and that'll tell us how much is actually going into the gun. So here we got everything is set up. I'm going to very slowly open the valve right here and let the air come in. Wow, just like that, guys. I'm already up to almost 3,000. All I did, I barely cracked that open. So let's check this. Okay, yeah, it's coming up. So I'm gonna crack this open a little more. And there we go. Now, if you can see this, I don't know if you can or not on the camera, but this is up to 3,000, which coincides with the reading right here. 3,000 and 3,000. We are good to go, guys. I don't know if you can see that or not. It might be blurry, but that's it. It was that simple. And now we're ready to go. Guys, I'm the Dollar Sportsman. Oh, let me give you the last tip. Don't forget to release the pressure off of your hose before trying to dismount. So there's a little pressure release valve right here. Make sure this is closed all the way. Here's the pressure release. Loud, but quick. That releases the pressure out of the hose itself. And you are good to go. Once again, you can now remove this from the gauntlet. Just like that. I'm the Dollar Sportsman. Thank you guys for watching. For $140, you can have a complete Scuba tank setup for your PCP air rifle. It's ridiculously easy, but just be careful not to overfill because it's very easy to. I hardly had to release any air whatsoever and I was already up to 3,000. Now, I'm ready to go hunt again. This thing is ready to go. I love it. Boomerang's Gauntlet is definitely a beast. And I'm super excited to get this back out. Not today though, because it's 112 degrees outside. I will see you guys next time. And in fact, I think it's so hot out here. I really just want to cool off. Haha! See you guys, I'm the Dollar Sportsman. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna go cool off now. That's pretty comfortable. Woohoo! Let's give it a shot. Or 2 or 60. We're in bug territory. Yes! Wow. I'm the Dollar Sportsman. Yes, I'm the Dollar Sportsman. I'm the Dollar Sportsman. Having fun out here. I just enjoy all of this because after watching these videos, I hope you do. Yeah, buddy.